everybody, and welcome back to the Outdoor Channel. We are in our brand new 2026 2500 HD Trail Boss. And the truck is pretty much bone stock minus a couple accessories. We're just kind of getting our first round of stuff done to the truck. Today, we are looking at exhaust systems. Now, we've had a lot of different trucks on here, a lot of different exhausts. Today is going to be one from Black Widow. Now, I've never worked with them before. The muffler is actually a little bit smaller than I thought it was going to be, but we're going to go ahead and give them a try. Just want to start out by saying I am not at all sponsored by Black Widow or affiliated with them. We just kind of went and bought this. We're going to try it out. We'll do a quick unboxing, show you what it is, what it's not, show you the specs, where to buy it, all that good stuff. We'll get this over to the muffler shop. You guys can check all that out. Coming up next, stay tuned. And like I said, we've done a lot of different trucks over the years on the channel, did a number of different exhaust systems. The last truck was a 21 Silverado Trail Boss. That one had the 6.2 liter. We started with a simple crate muffler from Borla. It was the Borla Attack. Sounded pretty good all by itself. We came back a little later, took the HDMI ports off, kind of Frankenstein a little bit. Had a lot of fun with it. Sounded amazing. It was a little loud. I liked it a lot, but I got a few complaints. So we figured do something a little bit different with this truck. Here's what she looks like. Again, this is the Widowmaker, apparently the king of sound. Here's some of the specifications. You can pause that if you need it. And down here is the part number. We'll go ahead and open up the box here. Should be a 3-inch on either side. Paperwork and a sticker. Stickers are where the horsepower is at, kids. And you can see the Black Widow stamping here with kind of that hourglass marking on the side there, as well as the bottom. That is what the inside looks like. Looks like there's some baffles in there, if I can get the camera to center on it. Almost like a straight pipe with a little bit of material in there to kind of change the sound a little bit. Let's go ahead and get this on the truck. All right, just as a quick reference, here's what the stock exhaust sounds like. A little bit of a rumble when she first starts up, but otherwise, she gets pretty quiet pretty quick. We are on our way to the exhaust shop, and you know, today's truck, they make them really, really quiet. That's nothing new. They've been doing that for years. To give kind of an example with this one, you heard the exhaust start up we did a moment ago. I can hear the radiator fan over the exhaust now. That's how bad this one is. So I agree with that.
Install this Black Widow muffler here with the custom welding. Bent this pipe here, just kind of attaching it to the existing tailpipe. Did a pretty nice job. Turned out pretty good. Sounds great too.
All right, we're on the road. We got that rear window open a little bit, and man, sounds pretty good. A little deeper than I thought she would be. Hard acceleration, not terribly crazy. We'll go ahead and do that here in a second. Sounds pretty good. As far as the cost, this comes in a few different spots. The muffler itself, just over $100. Sometimes you can find them on sale on Amazon. Again, I'll have some links over in the description. As far as Midas doing the install, that includes cutting off the old muffler, welding on the new muffler, taking some pipe, making the bends, which they did an okay job with, and welding that into place. Certainly is a few $100. You can see that here. So something to consider when you do your install.